Paka jamaa ameweka gate nyingine wazimu. Electric wire. Check your perimeter wall bana, na mabao wire hapo. Mansion katikati ya manyumba tu za Shanzu. I'm so surprised to see this kind of building bana. Look at that. Fantastic sana, Private house at the middle of mitaa ya kati. Unapata kanyumba kafiti kama haka. Watu wamejipanga bana na geti, kuna gari ndani. Huku Shanzu bana, mnakaaje? Cheki jamaa ameweka mansion mazee hapa katikati ya watu mazee. Iko na paka barbed wire. Alafu mwingine anaishi tu pale. Hizi ni gani? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to another episode. So guys, today I'm still in Shanzu. So right now where I am, this road here takes you to the dispensaries where there's some hospitals around here. Let me show you. You can see we have this one here. The county government of Mombasa Department of Health Services Shimo Bostol Dispensary, 500 meters. So when you take this road here, it takes you to the dispensary. 500 meters from here we have the dispensary where most of the residents of Shanzu always go there to seek for medical services. And on this road here takes you to Majaoni. It's a nice amazing road. When you take that road there, it takes you back to Shanzu. So I'll be giving you a tour of this area of Shanzu. I did a tour of the other area of Shanzu, the video that I'm telling you to go and watch. So today I want to do a video of this area of Shanzu until the other side of Majaoni, so that you can able to see how the area looks like. So let's go and see how the area looks like. But before I continue, guys, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's begin this video, guys. Let's go. I'm heading. So I'm leaving the road on the other side. I'm entering this neighborhood here so that I can able to show you guys how the area looks like. So let's do this. Already you're seeing what kind of houses you can get in this area of Shanzu on this side. So it is not different from the other side. So I just want to compare how this side looks like, if it is different from the other side from the last video. Muzungu. Hello. So let's move this side. Shanzu. Okay, I'm just on this main road of Shanzu. Let's just move and see what kind of houses you can get here. And most of them I've seen that they are single rooms. You can get single rooms here, bed sitters, but not one bedroom, just single rooms and bed sitters. Okay, let's move all of this. Wow, nice. Jambo. Okay, you can see the kind of houses you can get them here on this side of Shanzu. Look at all this. So this is Shanzu, guys, and what I've seen, there's a main road over here. So what I've noticed about this area is on this side is we have less vichochoro. Very less vichochoro, but the houses are still the same. This is a residential area with a perimeter wall. I think this is one of the nice house I've seen. You can see. Okay, on this side you have Swahili houses, normal Swahili houses on this side. Common normal Swahili houses. Guys, this is Shanzu. So if you have never been here, these are the kind of houses you can get on this side of Shanzu. On the other side, I think on the other side where I did a video of it lately, my former video, it's like it is very congested, very much congested. That's why you can see so many vichochoro around. But on this side we have so much open land, very much open land. So I've been told there's a road here. It's a perimeter wall. Someone just built his own private house over here. Okay, just on the interior you can see this kind of houses over here. Okay. So all these are single rooms, eh? All of these are single rooms. See that? So what do you think about this area? What do you think about it? Is it a nice area to live? Mambo baby? Is it a nice area to live here in Mombasa or what? Yeah, but for me, it's a normal place, yeah? Common, normal Swahili houses. I see all this. Okay. And we have another one here. Very tall building. I think this is one of the tall buildings that I've seen here in Shanzu. On this side, I have a tall building over here. Mambo. So I think there's a cable road over here. Amazing road. Let me just walk on this side and see for myself what's going on. But yeah, this is still Shanzu. For those people that doesn't know how Shanzu looks like on this side, I've come to the second section of Shanzu, where most of the YouTubers or most of the medias don't show you. And nimekuja kwa mashimo kuonyesha vile kunakaa. Naona mitaa vile inakaa. So mnakaribisha huku. Look at that. This is nice. Look at that. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is amazing house. Yeah. Also, someone else have done a private home over here with the gate and everything. Wow, this is nice. And this side, different thing. Yeah. Let me use this road here. I don't want to use the main road. I just want to use hizi vichochoro nionyeshe vile mitaa iko na huku ndani. Yeah. Ni vizuri kuingia kwa mitaa ya kati. This is a single house. Ni vizuri kuingia kwa mitaa ya kati. This is old style of building houses with these stones and cement. Very old design. Sio kama kuna barabara huko. Let me just use this. Wow. Mambo. Let me use this mitaa ya kati. Unaona? Hizi nyumba ambazo utapata huko Shanzu. Hizi ni nyumba utapata huko. Okay. So let's move to this side. Niingie kwa hii mitaa ya huko. Nionyeshe vile Shanzu inakaa. Cheni kukaa hapo tunamjelewe vile Shanzu inakaa. Hivi ndio Shanzu kunakaa jamaa. Kuingia kwa hii mitaa ya kati. Kuna nyumba za kitambo vile milango ilikoko iko na nje, iki iko na kati na nje. Nionyesha watu vile kunakaa. That's an amazing house over there. Huku mitaa ni mingi. Mitaa iko na manyumba tofauti. You can see all these Swahili houses, single rooms, Swahili houses on this side of Shanzu. Yeah. So when you come to this area of Shanzu, know that this is what you will get. This is the kind of houses you can get in this area of Shanzu. These are the kind of houses you can get. Let's do this. We have the Utange Village Hotel. There's a hotel here. This is a school. Ministry Fellowship, Shanzu, Mombasa Center. Okay. We have the Utange Village Hotel. This is a hotel over here. You can see. That's a hotel. Okay. So let's go to this side. So this is a filling station, water filling station. Okay. So let's go to this side of Shanzu. You can see this kind of house over here. Nice. Naje my brother. Go fresh. Nice. To show you guys this amazing home over here. Look at this. This is beautiful. Nice. Mambo. Look at that. Private house at the middle of mitaa ya kati. Unapata kanyumba kafiti kama haka. Watu wamejipanga bana na geti, kuna gari ndani. This is fantastic. Look at that. Sasa amejipanga huku. Tumejipanga sana. Nice house in the middle of nowhere in Shanzu. Another one on the other side. Look at that. Na iko na gate. Unaona jamaa anaingia kule, iko na gate. Na huku kuna nyumba kama hizi. Huku Shanzu bana, mnakaa aje? Cheki jamaa ameweka mansion mazee hapa katikati ya watu mazee. Iko na paka barbed wire. Alafu mwingine anaishi tu pale. Hizi ni gani? But we still move. We are moving. Tunasonga. Tunasonga tu. Nyumba nyingine ndo hii hapa. Huko watu wako vizuri na wamejificha. People are hiding themselves here. Mambo. People have hide themselves in these amazing homes over here. Look at that. Watu wamejificha ficha huku na manyumba kali kali. Kina wamejificha sana. Unaona hii? Kama mansion kingine kasafi. Alafu kuna wengine wanaishi hapa. Kwa hiyo nyumba. Yeah. Si nyumba kama hiyo, nyingine kama hii. Amazing, nice. A home like this one is very good. It's very very nice. Yeah. Nyumba za Kiswahili Swahili huku. Can see all this Swahili homes, all of these Swahili homes. Hizi ni nyumba za Kiswahili Swahili. Sasa huko ndo Shanzu. Wale ambao hawajui Shanzu, wale ambao wamekaa sana bila kuja Mombasa. Mombasa imebadilika, Shanzu imebadilika. Mambo ni kama haya. You can see someone has built his home here. Na paka ameweka fence. This is nice. Ameweka paka fence. Electric fence. Unaweza kuingiza gari yako hapa. Very nice. Very very nice. So let's use this road here. Let me use this road here. Jambo. Salama. Okay. All these homes. Mwingine ameweka gate hapa pia. Watu wamejipanga. This place is nice because what I've realized is there's some people that have built their homes on this side and they have put all electric fences and they are good. They are living nicely. Others rental like this ones and others they've built their own homes. It's so nice. Yeah. So let's move to this side. I'm about to get to Majaon. You can see watu wamejenga manyumba huku na mafence bana. Putting some perimeter walls. On compound houses. Wengine wamerent tu nyumba kama hizi. Duka yako hapo. Look at this house. These are classes. So this is a school. This is a Muslim school. These are classes. Wow. You can see all these are classes. And on the other side, look at that home. Mambo. Kuna barabara ya kwenda na hivi? Sasa unatokezea huko barabarani, si ndio? Hii ni shule ama nini? Madrasa. Okay, sawa. Yeah. So we're saying that is a madrasa. Look at this home. Watu wamejipanga bana. Look at this. Paka jamaa ameweka gate nyingine wazimu. Electric wire. Check your perimeter wall bana, ina mababa wire hapo. Mansion katikati ya manyumba tu za Shanzu. Huko tu kuna marentals tu, kuma bed sitter nini. Mwingine ameweka mnyama hapa bana. Jambo manzi. Mtu amekuja kajenga nyumba kali huko katikati ya nyumba. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So look at that. Nimeshangaa sana. I'm so surprised to see this kind of building bana. Look at that. Look at this. So nice. Fence nyingine wazimu sana hapa. Haya, nimwambia huku kuna another madrasa over here for the Muslim. So it means that most of the Muslims lives here. Katikati tu ya hizi this chaos, you get all these amazing homes. Look at that amazing building over here. Look at this. Hey. Look at that. Hey. Fantastic sana, eh? Hey. Amazing sana. So let's move to this side. Nimwambia huku pia kuna nyumba kali. Let's see if I can get good amazing homes. Huku watu wamejificha. Unaona vile watu wako tu na ma fences na ma gates. Watu wamejenga tu manyumba, kuna ma gates, their own gates, own compound houses. Una check? So sidhani kuwa Shanzu ni place maskini sana on this side of Shanzu. Kuna ya hii side ambayo iko poa. I think I've gotten to the hospital. You can see bado huku tu nyumba ziko na ma fence. Ona hii pia ni nyumba iko na fence yake pale, perimeter wall fence pale. Nyingine ile pale ndo nimetoka huko. Hii place mazee iko poa bana. Okay. Huku kwa ingine ni huku, mtu pia kuna fence yake. I'm at the hospital, guys. That's the hospital here in Shanzu, the area of Majaoni. Yeah. Mambo. Okay, look. Ona vile watu wako na nyumba wameka ma fence bana. Nyumba wameka ma fence bana, uko ataishi vizuri. Watu walianza kitambo. So this is very very nice. So that's the hospital, guys, here in area of Majaoni. If you've never been here, hii sasa nimeipata. Yeah. But huku watu wako tu na manyumba wameka tu ma fence huku, nyumba zao wenyewe, private owned compound houses. And this is very very nice. So that's the hospital. Okay. That's the Shanzu hospital. One of the biggest. I don't know the name. Let me go in front of it so that I can able to know what's the name of this hospital. But that's the main road here in Majaoni. Now I'm this road that takes you to Bamburi on the other side. Yeah. So there is when you're going to Majaoni on the other side, and this side when you're going to Bamburi. Yeah. And that's the hospital, guys. So guys, now I'm in this CGTRH Utange Field Hospital here in this area of when you're going to Majaoni and we are going back to Shanzu. We're going back to Bamburi, so Utange area. So I'm ending my video here in this area of this hospital here. So most of the people from Shanzu, Majaoni and Utange always come here to this hospital to seek for medical attention. So yeah, this it has been nice showing you guys how this area looks like, and hope you've liked the video. Yeah, hope you've liked the video, and if you've liked the video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. So next I'll be going to Majaoni next time, so that I can able to show you guys Majaoni, because those are the areas that have been underrated so much. They are the areas that have been underrated so much by people, thinking that those areas are not nice. Also Shanzu, people just know the other side of Shanzu, the other side of where there are some apartment, villas and all kind of good houses and hotels. But they don't know that we have this side of Shanzu also. We can get good homes, one bedroom, bed sitters, where you can just live and have a good time with your family. Yeah. And you have seen that we have good houses over here in Shanzu, like the mansion that I've seen inside this area of Shanzu, and it is very very nice. And watu wamejipanga, watu wamekuja wakajificha huku, wakajenga nyumba zao kalikali huku na wanaishi. So that's amazing thing, guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.